Welcome to Hoi An. If you're in Da Nang, you're just a quick trip away from one of Vietnam's most charming destinations. Let's talk about how to get there, how long to stay, and what makes this ancient town such a bucket list spot. Hoi An's about 30 kilometers south of Da Nang. That's about 45 minutes to an hour by car. You can book a taxi, use a Grab, or hop on a shuttle bus. If you're on a budget, the yellow public bus is super cheap, but not very comfortable. A lot of people do Hoi An as a day trip, and sure, you can see a lot in a day, but you'll definitely be rushing. If you can, spend at least a night here. It gives you time to really slow down, enjoy the food, the sunsets, and soak in the atmosphere that makes Hoi An so magical. One of the most important trading ports in Southeast Asia, from the 15th to the 19th century. Merchants from China, Japan, Portugal, and beyond came here to do business. That's a mix of cultures left behind some pretty incredible architecture. Think Chinese temples, Japanese bridges, French colonial buildings, all nestled in a maze of lantern-lit streets.
Just got a Grab all the way here from Da Nang, which was about 350k. Now, the Grab driver, as always, gave me his card and was like, if you want me to pick you up later, send me a message and I'll take you back home for 300. Don't see why not. Guess, he's not paying the extra fare. He did try to take me to some shop though, and I forgot that stuff happens. And then also he was like, I could take you to a suit shop, and I'm like, also forgot that stuff happens. Wanted to take me to like a marble shop on the way here. Apparently there's an area that's famous for making statues, and then they really try to convince you to buy stuff. I don't want to buy anything. I'm traveling for a long time. I don't need souvenirs. That is probably one of the biggest things that do annoy me when traveling certain countries, is like the hawkers, the people that are just constantly bugging you to buy things. Let me show you Hoi An.
Alright, let's talk the highlights. The ancient town. This is the heart of Hoi An. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's incredibly well preserved. Walk around during the day for photo ops, then again at night when it glows with thousands of lanterns. Hoi An is famous for its colourful silk lanterns. They're handmade by local artisans and light up the streets every night. If you're here during the full moon, catch the Lantern Festival. They shut off all electric lights and light up the town with lanterns and candles floated down by the river. Hoi An is also the tailoring capital of Vietnam. There are over 400 tailor shops here. Yep, 400. You can get custom-made suits, dresses, shoes, even bags. They're fast, affordable, and usually ready in a day or two. Now across the river, the night market kicks off around 5 p.m. You'll find street food, souvenirs, and of course, all the lanterns you could ever want. It's touristy, but it's part of the charm. Just be ready to haggle and keep an eye on your bag in the crowds. Now, don't leave Hoi An without trying its local food. It's chewy noodles with pork, herbs, and crispy croutons, or white rose dumplings, and a Hoi An banh mi. If you're a foodie, sign up for a cooking class. You can even visit a local market and learn how to make these dishes yourself. Okay, real talk for a second. A few things to avoid. First, some tailor shops will try to upsell you or rush your order, so don't be afraid to push back or walk away. Second, the lantern boat rides look dreamy, but they can be pricey and a bit crowded during peak times. Always ask for the price before you hop on. And lastly, Hoi An can get packed, especially in the evenings. So aim to explore early in the morning if you want a bit more peace. Hoi An isn't just a place to visit, makes you feel from the lanterns to the history, the food to the people. So if you're in central Vietnam, don't miss the chance to fall in love with Hoi An.